Hello everybody and welcome back to OR Train Spotters. Today we are at Summer Hill and we'll be doing some train spotting for you all. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. To start off with, we have a D-set, D153 leading set. And D46 trailing set. And over here on platform number 1 we have a B set departing for a service to Homebush, B22. Now we have a T set passing by. It is a 4-car T77.
Holy moly.
Now we have an A set passing through platform number 3 here for a service to Richmond. Now we have a B set, I think passing platform 1 here. Yeah, it is passing. B21. Now we have another B set passing through platform 2 here, B40. Now we have another A set passing through platform number 3, A56. Now we have a B set, I think about to pass through platform number 1 here. B28. We have an A set passing A61. And over on the other track, we have a D set about to pass through. We have a B set. Now we have a B set arriving in a platform number 2 here at Summer Hill. B38. Now A38 is departing for a service to the City Circle. Now we have a T set about to pass through platform number 3 here at Summer Hill. T89 leading set. And T38 trailing set. Now we have a D set passing. B2. B2. It's for a service to Central. Now I have an A set passing A20. Now we have an M set arriving into platform number 1 here for a service to Parramatta. M22 leading set. And over here we have an A set passing by for service to Central. A16. Now M21 and M3 are departing for a service to Parramatta. Now we have an M set passing through platform number 1 here. M7 lead set and M6 trailing set.
Here's another M set passing platform 2.
Now we have a M set passing platform 2. I couldn't see the front set number, but the trailing set I can't also see because there's no target plates on the front. Now we have an A set passing by. A19. And about to pass us, have another A set. A41. Now we have a Marion D set passing by. D57 leading set. And D42 trailing set. Now we have a set pulling into platform number 2 for a City Circle service. A78.
A7.
The train on platform 2 goes to City Circle via Town.
Now we have an A set passing by. A75. And now A78 is departing. And over on the other track we have A1. Now we have a B set passing by. Oh no, sorry. We have a B set stopping.
Passing on a Homebush service.
It's B3. And over on the other side, we have an 8-car V set. V9 leading set. And V35 trailing set. Now B3 is departing for a service to Homebush. Now we have an A set about to pass through platform number 3. A37. Now we have an A set about to pass by. A58. Now we have another A set about to pass by. A59. Now we have a T set, T21. T78 trailing set. We have a D set. Didn't get the lead set, but the trailing set's D45. Now we have an A set. A64. And we have a B set arriving here into platform number 2 for a service to City Circle, B22. Now we have B22 departing for a service to City Circle. Now we have the Armadale Mori Explorer about to pass. Now we have an A set about to pass through platform number 3.
This is the A set. Currently the Indian Pacific is at
A74. Now we have a B set. B27 for a service to Parramatta. Now we have a B set passing by. B10. And over on the other track, we have an A set, A71. And over here, B27 is departing for the service to Parramatta. Now we have another V set passing by. V46. And just behind me, we have a B set about to pass by. B31. Now we have a B set. B19. Now I have an A set, A23. Now we have an A set passing by. 880. Now we have a VSET passing by. V7. Now we have an ASET about to pass by. A55. Now we have a Tangara, and over there A18. So we have a Tangara about to pass by. T63. I'm pretty sure it was T63. I'm not sure. Front set, pretty sure it's a T63. I'm not sure if and the reset said T68. I'm not sure. Not sure if it's T63 or T68, but oh well. Now we have A18 passing. Departing platform number 2 here at Summerhill. And over on the other platform, we have an ASET. We have an ASET arriving in to platform number 1 for a service to Homebush, A13. Now A13 is departing for a service to Homebush. Now we have a B-set passing by. B36. Now we have an A-set. A31. Now we have the Indian Pacific about to pass by. Alrighty guys, I'm going to wrap up the video here. Thank you for watching OR Train Spotters. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and please comment where you'd like us to film next. Thank you.